Alrighty, am I litty in the city? Yes, that is the answer. Okay, but I saw somebody post on Instagram that this Pikachu Nintendo 64 is like their dream console or something. I owned that console. I had the Pikachu Nintendo 64 and I had the game What's New Pikachu? I don't know. It had a microphone in it. You had to talk to Pikachu. I remember people making fun of me because I talked to him wrong. The point is, I'm about to try to find that on eBay and buy it and play it. So, oh my God, I don't even have a TV that has those jacks. We'll figure it out later. Let's find the console. Okay, so I did find one on Amazon. Hold on, let me show you. Okay. This one is on Amazon for 200. Oh, there's multiple. Oh shit, they have a new one. Let's see. Used. New. Oh my God, who's paying $2,000 for this thing? I wouldn't do acceptable, but I would absolutely do like a very good. I have to look at the, yeah. Okay, wait. What's the difference between acceptable and very good? I feel like very good is better than acceptable, but I don't know. Okay, let's look at eBay. You didn't find, okay, this eBay listing is not for the, it's not for the actual Nintendo, but it has the Pikachu game, and also the Toy Story. Oh my God, I loved that Toy Story game. And I would always get stuck on the level where you're in the basement. Okay, hold on. Fuck. I thought I found an Etsy listing, but whole time this hoe is sold out. Found one, and I think I'm gonna order it. Okay, oh my God. Okay, it's only one of them and it's $280. Should I do it? I mean, here's the thing. Like, what else can I do? Okay, wait. Let me. It comes with these games that I don't care about. So I could buy this and then I could go on eBay and get the $35 like of the two games that okay. I think this is what I'm gonna do. Whoa, y'all are lucky I like y'all, because I mean, I'm doing this for myself a little bit, but it's like, you know, the internet, you know? This is proving to be a little tougher than I thought. I'm gonna buy this one from Etsy and hope that if it doesn't work, they give me my money back, because what the F? This is $279. This is $279. But I'm gonna do it, and we're just gonna hope that it works. Look at all these tabs. Those are all me looking for Nintendo 64s that work. So yeah, I just hope that this one works. OMG. Okay, so the other day I drank a whole bottle of champagne, and whenever I do things like that, I just want to buy things. I don't know why, but I do. And so this time around, I thought, let's buy something that will be, you know, beneficial to the channel. So guess what I got? I guess I should show you. It's just a box right now. It's a box. Here's the box. This is a Nintendo 64 Pikachu edition. And so this says eBay. This box says eBay, but I bought it from Etsy. Do Etsy and eBay work together now? I guess so. But yeah, I bought this on, oh, maybe Homeboy just packaged it in an eBay box. He probably sells on both sites. But I got this on Etsy, and this cost a pretty penny. So this was almost $300, and then I mean, it was like $280. And then this is a game to go with it. Is Toy Story 2. And when I tell you, that used to be my jam. So let's just go ahead and open these boxes up. Box outside of another box, and this package is so heavy. Yes, I'm using kitchen shears. They don't really get used in the kitchen ever, so it's fine. Pretty well, I'll say. Wow. I mean, it's just taking me back. This is a controller. Here's the actual game system. there's the actual game system. Hopefully those shakes didn't mess it up too much. And all the little parts to go to it. Alrighty. Oh, TBT, man. Channel 3 and all of that jazz. I don't know what's in here. Oh, so he was selling it with some games, but it just didn't have the game that I wanted, which was the Toy Story game. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what a controller pack. I never had one of these. Was I just not rich enough? Oh, this goes on the back of the controller, clearly, but like I don't know what game this is for. So it came with 99 Madden. I think this game is kind of classic, isn't it? I don't know. NFL Club 99. Strike Zone and Pokemon Stadium 2. I'm not a Pokemon fan. Well, okay. I don't currently play Pokemon, and I never play like the games, but Hey You Pikachu on this specific system was my jam. And then Diddy Kong Racing. So got some cool games included with it for the price. Just not the exact game I was looking for, which is why I bought the Toy Story. So let me go ahead and open up this and that, and then I'll open the other thing too, and I'll come back. I mean, look at the material. Oh my gosh. Like, you just spend so much time playing this game. I'm gonna plug it in, but I just wanted to show you everything. The little cheeks, the little foot. Oh, the little Pokeball to turn it on and off. I mean, oh man. Yeah, so I did used to have one of these as a kid, and I mean, we just got rid of it because it was an old game system. And now I'm just like paying $300 for something that I used to own as a kid. So I guess that is growing up. I guess I'm officially an adult. Anyways, let's plug this bad boy in. Just kind of diving into this. So this thing works. So with the joystick, that works. The start button, you can push it. You can push all these buttons. You can press these two, and you can press this. The left is okay. And the right is okay too. Let me tell you what's not okay is the Z. I don't even know if this is gonna work. I hope it does, of course, because I bought this, but you know. And also, yes, I'm smart. I can read the controller pack went into the controller, because that's what it's for. I still don't know what game that's for or what exactly it does. I've never had one of those. Okay, for whatever reason, it did not record me initially turning this on, but I made the ugliest scream. But yes, it came on, so everything's all plugged up, and let's see now. It's telling me to, okay, hold on. Please hold. Okay, so I think I plugged it in the wrong place. This TV is gigantic, as you saw in my last video, so, because on the TV, it's showing me that it has a red, white, and yellow, but on mine, I only have white and green, I think. So, what's that about? Alrighty, so one big time issue is that I don't know where the AV ports are. I plugged it into the component ports, which I thought you could use for AV as well, but apparently I was wrong, and this is why I am not an electrical engineer. Well, I have just realized that my TV does not support AV. So, pause on this video until I go get some AV cords. I'm going to go to Target and see what I can find. I need an AV to HDMI converter because my TV does not support components. Connections, it only supports AV/composite connections. That's what the 3 jacks are called. Composite. Learned that today. I mean, at least it came on. At least it came on. That's all I can say. I so wanted to play Toy Story 2 tonight, but I guess it'll have to wait. Also, this box is like $60, so another $60. This nostalgia is expensive. All right, y'all, so it's been about 2 weeks. and I've been around the world and back. Trying times, we're in trying times. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Also, so I had to go buy this thing, a RCA to HDMI converter. I really hope this works because it's Corona time and I'm not trying to go back to the store. And I also don't want to order it online just to have somebody else have to deliver it. You know, like they should be at home quarantine too. Anyways, really hope that this works. So here we go, about to try this whole plugging it up thing again. The cord is not as long, and I don't have a lot of, I only have 2 plugs in the back of the TV, so we got this all the way over here, about to plug it in, and we're gonna see what's up. Hello, side. Hi. That's by brand, by the way, but it just has the power source, and then the three little thingies, which don't fit in the back. And then you have to plug in the HDMI right here, and you have to choose 720 or 1080, but I don't even know if this Nintendo can do 720, so we're gonna see. The wiring for this setup is atrocious, but let's see now. Okay, where's my remote? Here we go. All right. Oh, detecting a device. Here we go. Okay, I didn't turn it on yet. So I don't know what it's actually gonna do. Gonna wait a second. Okay, let's turn it on. Here we go, moment of truth. There's nothing in here, so does this even have like a no thing? No, it's blinking. I'm going to lose it. There's no way. Why is it blinking? What does that mean? What does that mean? Maybe it means there's nothing in there. Okay. Okay, everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. See what, oh, it's still blinking. Y'all, I am gonna lose it. Why doesn't this work? What the F? What the F? What the, okay. Okay, everybody calm down. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's good. Give me, I will be, oh, it stopped blinking. Okay. All right, whew. Okay, whew, man, that Etsy seller was not gonna hit. Oh my gosh, okay. Wow, okay, so thank you for accompanying me on this journey. It works. We're about to play some Toy Story 2. Real ones know that this is the game to play, okay? If you had a Nintendo 64 and you never played Toy Story 2, you were really missing out. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I don't think I ever got past the level of being in the basement with Buzz or Woody. And then if I did get past that, I never got past the level of when you're on the car and like Woody is holding on to Buzz. I think that's in Toy Story 2. Look how slow this is loading. Oh my God, I feel like it's been like 30 minutes. Y'all, I was so nervous that this was not gonna work. Like, woo Chile, whew. Okay, I'll take you through a couple things. Let me get my tripod. I mean, look at that quality. Does it get any better than that? Quality, honey. I mean, every pixel shows. Woo! I think this would look better on a smaller TV. Here's the remote, and let's press start. Oop, the button worked, so that's good. Good news, good news. And it's reloading after I press start. There we go. Play the game. Oh, I have the Rumble Pack inserted. I don't know what that does. I never had one, so I guess this will be a new experience. Let me go down to controller pack. Okay, so my D-pad is not really functional. It didn't say that in the listing, so I'm a little disappointed by that, but this works, so I am going to just accept that, but I'll probably put that in my review. Why is there an eraser? What does this mean? Right? Like, put it in, take it out, eraser? Am I dumb? Like, what is that? Let's go to options. Let's see what's going on with options. What options do we have? Sound effects and music volume. Okay. All right, let's just start the game. Let's see what happens. I think maybe I'll stream this on Twitch. I think this would be fun. Don't you think this would be fun? I'm basically talking to myself, so that's wild. But yeah, here we go. Rumble pack, please insert your rumble pack. Okay, is this a rumble pack? I don't know. All right, here we go. Oops, sorry, I keep shaking the camera. Summer is here and Andy's off to cowboy camp. Red alert. Buzz and the gang look on as Woody tries to save another toy from being sold. But Woody is spotted by Al, a toy collector. Al steals Woody. And even Buzz Lightyear is helpless to save his buddy. All right, here we go. Now that I don't have this, I'm mad that this doesn't work. I'm mad that this pad, oh. Okay, I'm just gonna have to use this. Let's see, press B. Maybe. It's, oh, wow, that's embarrassing. What do I do? Okay, I'm gonna press A, you know, just jump on some things. See what happens. Why are there no instructions? Oh, wow. This camera is driving me nuts. Here we go. Gotta turn it slowly. Okay. All right. Here we go. Yes. Yes. All right. Get this coin. Get that coin. Oh, my Lord. Okay, so this joystick is like kind of stiff, but to be honest, I'd rather it be stiff than loose. Ah, there you go. All right, ah. Okay, here we go. Here's some instructions. If you see the push icon, you can run into the object and push it. Run into the object and push it out of the way. All right. Okay. Okay, why can't I get on top? Okay, hold on. No, there's gotta, I mean, okay, here we go. There we go. All right, on the bed. No. Okay, the camera, I don't know who decided on that, but I don't love it. Can't lie to you. Now I gotta go through all of this again to get back on the bed. Oh, let me turn the volume up so y'all can hear it. Alrighty. I'm gonna try to at least finish this level, so I'm gonna stop talking so I can concentrate. Okay, so it actually took me a really long time to get used to playing with the controller and like figure out what I was doing. And so I think I'm just going to make a separate video with the gameplay because this video is going to be really boring if I show you all of this. So yeah, just hold on and we'll come back and wrap it up so you don't have to watch me struggle to get through the instructions for the first part of this game. Boom, got him. Pizza Planet token. Alright, so I didn't realize I was filming that whole thing, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss on this out. Dang it. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on this next Nintendo. Subscribe, okay? I'm going to do more Nintendo 64 videos. That's what I've been trying to say. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!